Looking for the perfect Makita miter saw but not sure which one to pick? Stick around, we've ranked the top models from weakest to best so you can make the right choice. Let's start with a versatile option that comes in at the bottom of our ranking. The LH1040F is a hybrid between a miter saw and a small table saw. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to move around your workspace. This is a great option if you're working in tight spaces or need something highly portable. Now, the beauty of this model is in its flexibility. You can easily switch between miter saw mode and table saw mode. It's got a built-in LED light to help you work in darker conditions, and the soft start keeps it safe and smooth. For quick on-the-go jobs where versatility trumps raw power, this saw does the trick. That being said, it does have its drawbacks. The cutting capacity is limited compared to the other models on our list. The depth of cut in table saw mode is also quite shallow, and swapping blades to change between modes can be a bit of a hassle. It's really not ideal if you're after a full-time table saw or heavy-duty miter work. So who should consider this one? If you're a casual DIYer or hobbyist who values portability and flexibility over brute strength, the LH1040F could be just what you need. But if you're after more power and advanced features, let's move on to the next option. Next up, we have this cordless sliding miter saw. It's a big step up in both performance and precision, designed for folks who want serious cutting power without being tied to a cord. This model delivers smooth, accurate cuts with its direct drive motor and automatic speed adjustment. One thing that really stands out here is the excellent runtime, up to 334 cuts on a single charge. The compact rail system lets you place it flush against the wall, which is super handy in tight work areas. And with its built-in laser guide, it's easy to line up your cuts perfectly. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. It is on the heavier side for a cordless model. The miter detents can wear over time, which might affect long-term accuracy. And you'll want to watch the laser. It can drain your battery if you forget to turn it off. But overall, if you're looking for a solid cordless saw that won't break the bank, this is a fantastic choice. And hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gear reviews. Coming in at number 3, we've got this powerful cordless sliding miter saw with a larger 12-inch blade. If you're working with bigger materials, the extra cutting capacity here will really come in handy. The direct drive motor and automatic speed control keep everything running smooth and consistent. Compared to lower ranked options, this model is built for more demanding projects. It also sports the same compact rail system, letting you set it up close to the wall, and the larger blade gives you more reach for those extra wide cuts. The runtime is decent for a 12-inch saw with up to 175 cuts per charge. On the flip side, it lacks the AWS wireless dust activation feature found on the top model, and it's a bit pricey for a bare tool. It's also one of the heaviest models in the lineup, so portability can be a bit of a chore. If you need that extra cutting capacity and already own Makita batteries, this is a great pick. Just be prepared to pay a bit more and haul a little extra weight. Taking the runner-up spot is this precision-focused sliding miter saw. It delivers outstanding accuracy and runtime while remaining more portable than the 12-inch models. With its direct drive motor and advanced rail design, this saw cuts effortlessly and reliably. What makes this model really shine is the balance between power, size, and runtime. It handles a wide range of cuts with ease, has fantastic battery life, and comes in a kit so you get everything you need out of the box. It's also quieter and a little easier to maneuver compared to the larger saws. Of course, it's not perfect. The dust collection works better when paired with a shop vac, and it doesn't include the AWS feature. But overall, this saw offers the best blend of performance and convenience for most users. If you want a versatile, top-tier cordless saw for professional or serious DIY use, this one's hard to beat. And finally, topping our list is the XSL08PT, the ultimate cordless sliding miter saw from Makita. This beast offers maximum cutting capacity, pinpoint accuracy, and all the latest features. If you want the absolute best of the best, this is it. It's built for professionals who demand power and precision. The larger 12-inch blade handles the biggest jobs with ease, and the AWS wireless system lets you sync your dust extractor automatically. A real game changer on busy job sites. The front bevel lock, powerful direct drive motor, and flush wall rail design all add up to one seriously capable saw. Now, it's definitely pricey and weighs in at 69 pounds, so it's not the most portable option, but if you're after top performance and cutting edge features, nothing else on this list can match it. So if you want the best Makita miter saw out there, this is the one I'd recommend. And remember, links to all the products at the best prices are down below in the description. Check those out. That's our full rundown of the best Makita miter saws ranked. If you want to grab one of these, make sure to hit those links in the description for the latest deals. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great reviews.